Welcome back to DIY Stitching. Today, we'll be stitching two beautiful embroidery designs using basic stitches. These projects are so simple that even beginners can create stunning results. Let's start with our first project. The colors we've chosen include a deep navy blue fabric, beige and brown threads, and complementing seed beads. This combination is elegant and sophisticated. Choosing the right needle size is crucial. The beading needle needs to fit through the seed beads and accommodate the thread thickness. Using the correct needle size prevents bead damage and ensures smooth stitching. As you stitch, make sure to secure each bead stitch properly. This keeps the beads in place and maintains the integrity of the pattern. When choosing your fabric and thread colors, consider how they complement each other. Dark fabrics make bright colors stand out, while lighter fabrics highlight subtle shades. Adding textures like seed beads can give your project a unique and professional finish. For the weaving part, we use a tapestry needle. Its blunt tip helps weave through the fabric without splitting the threads. These embroidery designs are simple, yet detailed, perfect for cushion covers or pillowcases. They add a handmade charm to any home decor. Here's the final result of our first project, beautifully placed on a cushion cover. Doesn't it look stunning? Now, let's start our second project. This time, we'll use the same stitch, but without the seed beads, only using the 6-strand embroidery floss. And here's the final result of our second project, also on a cushion cover. Both designs look rich and elegant, don't they? That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate your support. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to DIY Stitching for more tutorials. Stay creative and keep stitching.